Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see VLOOKUP formula. V stands for vertical. In this Excel, we have one table, product, and then value. So based on the product, we need some values. How we can get the values? So by using the VLOOKUP formula, we can get the value. Let's see. Put equal, type VLOOKUP, open bracket. We need to select the product, comma, from which table we need to match in this table. So select the table, comma, on this table, the third column we have values. So we should type 3, comma, exact match or approximate match. So here we need exact match. So we should type 0 and then closed bracket, enter. Now you can see potato, the value is 55, we get it. I will change potato into apple. Here you can see 250. I will change onion 1 kg 48 it comes. So this is how we should use VLOOKUP formula in MS Excel. It is simple table. So without VLOOKUP we can get the value. Just imagine if the table is very huge. Finding in a huge table it is very difficult. So those scenarios we should use VLOOKUP formula. Also VLOOKUP formula can be used in different scenarios. So based on our necessary we can use it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.